Hey guys, welcome back to the Boho Babe Shop and Unbox channel. I am back with another Temu order. So I got two things in here. I have no idea where to open this package from because they have so much tape on here because they go through customs. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to cut into it. So this entire order was hold on, what's in here? I think it was $19, $20, I think. No, it was about $17 or $15. So there are two items in here. My issue is that I keep forgetting how much I paid for stuff, and sometimes I use my, so I'm not here. Sometimes I use my, I don't want to cut the plastic too much because I'm gonna put them back into the bag for storage until I am ready to use them on the house. Hang on, let me get into this. Yep, I was saying that I keep forgetting how much I paid for these because some of them I don't actually, I just pay them with cash back that I got from shopping or my earning apps or so on. So it's not really like money from my pocket, so I don't really remember until I go back into the buying that one, unless you just want to look pretty for a party. Okay, so this is the first item in this video. I will unbox the next item in another video, so you will have to subscribe and turn on the notification for that one. So this was $2 and some change. I saw it. The other item was what I intentionally went on there to purchase, but I had some extra change, so I saw this for $2, and I think it was $2.24, and I decided to get it because I always wanted one for my kids' room. So this is the Dreamy Star lamp, and it says age 14, so I am going to give him this for his birthday. His birthday is on Sunday. We are on a budget. He's getting his cake, he's getting an outing dinner, so I'm just going to add this to his just add it to it as his birthday present for his room because we're on a tight budget. Okay, so this is it. It's basically a night light. It does uses batteries. Interesting. And it's plastic wrapped. I'm not going to open it. I want to test it, but it uses 4 AAA batteries there. But it has this, so I'm thinking it can be used two ways. It can be used with the batteries and plugged in. Okay, that's what it says. That's in Spanish or whatever language that is. I think that's Spanish. Hang on, I'm going to plug it in and see if it will work without the batteries, because I'm really hoping that this works without batteries. Hang on. Oh crap. Oh no shit, Sherlock. Okay, so I made a little hole in the plastic, so I'm just gonna plug this in. Oh, it works without batteries, thank God. So So this is what it looks like. This is so pretty, and I can imagine how beautiful this is at night. And there's different modes on there, and he doesn't like the dark, so this is super pretty. I think this one is the best one. I don't know what C does. B changes the color, and A is pretty much the power and the function button. Yeah, I think C stabilizes it. I'm not sure, but this is cute. So you got the multicolor, you have the ooh, I think this is nice though. Okay guys, so that's it for the star lamp. It does uses electricity, and you can go use the power batteries. So if they're scared of the dark and they're going on a sleepover or a trip, you can add the batteries to it and take it with you. But this is that for $290, well, $220 something. It was on, they had a little discount there. But this is it. Thank you for watching.